From a street dance to the Intense 5, let's go! Riri's expanding her beauty line. She's heading into China with her Fenty beauty products. Oh my God! Such a good move. Jamaica started out well, but USA triumphed in the end. Hush, Reggae boys. No, but why is Popcorn still stressing out his mother? LOL. I love how them ramp though. Too cute. You need Jesus, Poppy. Star footballer Leon Bailey says he won't be playing for Jamaica again. This comes after he was suspended for not being at the hotel the night before training. And finally holding the spot this week, the DPP says she's pushing for a retrial in the Vybz Kartel case. Let's see what happens. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember, if anything intense happens in your area, hit up our IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Ziddy chats with Richie. We'll soon forward.